why untrained users are often considered the greatest weakness in a cyber defense plan. So let's explore the various dimensions of this issue and understand its implications for organizations. Now, cybersecurity experts often emphasize that human error is a leading cause of security breaches. Despite having robust technical defenses in place, many organizations fall victim to cyber attacks due to mistakes made by untrained or poorly trained employees. And these errors can include clicking on phishing links, using weak passwords, mishandling sensitive information, or just failing to follow security protocols. And one of the most common ways cyber criminals exploit untrained users is through phishing attacks. And phishing continues to involve tricking individuals into providing sensitive information or clicking on malicious links by pretending to be a legitimate entity. Social engineering attacks continue to prey on human psychology, such as curiosity, fear, or a desire to help, which makes even the most cautious users vulnerable if they're not properly trained. And a well-known example is the 2016 Democratic National Committee hack, where phishing emails were used to gain access to the email accounts of key officials. This incident underscores how easily sophisticated attacks can bypass technological defenses if users are not vigilant. User errors can have significant financial and reputational impacts on organizations. IBM found that the average cost of a data breach, this was in 2020, was $3.86 million. Furthermore, breaches resulting from human error or negligence often take longer to identify and contain, which makes their impact even worse. And beyond the immediate financial costs, breaches can damage an organization's reputation, erode customer trust, and lead to legal and regulatory challenges. For instance, the Equifax data breach, this was back in 2017, exposed the personal information of 147 million people, and this was partially attributed to a failure to apply a security update. And this incident resulted in severe financial penalties and I would say a lasting dent in the company's reputation. So comprehensive cybersecurity training, it's essential to mitigate the risks posed by untrained users. And this training should cover recognizing phishing attempts. So employees should be trained to identify suspicious emails and messages and know what steps to take if they encounter one. Password security, emphasizing the importance of using strong, unique passwords and utilizing password managers or just getting rid of passwords. Data handling practices, so educating employees on how to handle sensitive information securely, and the importance of encryption. And then there's incident reporting. Encourage a culture where employees report potential security incidents promptly and without fear of reprisal. And beyond formal training sessions, creating a security-aware culture within an organization is crucial. So this involves regular updates on emerging threats, ongoing education, and promoting an environment where cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. Leadership should model good security practices and recognize employees who contribute to the organization's security posture. So in conclusion, untrained users are often the greatest weakness in a cyber defense plan because human error can bypass even the most advanced technical defenses. Phishing attacks, social engineering, and mishandling of sensitive information are just a few examples of how untrained users can inadvertently compromise security. So, by investing in comprehensive training and fostering a security-aware culture, organizations can significantly reduce these risks and strengthen their overall cybersecurity posture.